friends, welcome to our channel Brain Alive. In this video, we will study positive clamper with positive bias. We know in positive clamper, when this bias voltage VR is not applied, then the negative peak of the input signal shifts to zero level. Now we have added positive bias in this circuit. Actually, we have shifted this zero level to VR. So now negative peak of the input signal is shifted to this level, this VR level. So we have drawn a line here. Now we will analyze this circuit. We will start our analysis when this diode is forward bias. This will be forward bias during negative half cycle. So during negative half cycle, this terminal is negative and this terminal is positive. So the current flows in this direction, and this bias voltage also forward bias this diode. So this diode will act as a short circuit. Now we will find out the voltage across this capacitor. As the current flows in this direction, this capacitor is charged with this polarity. Now we will find the voltage across this capacitor. We will apply KVL in this loop. Minus VI minus VR, this voltage, and then plus VC equals to 0. So VC is equals to VI plus VR. Here input voltage, maximum peak of the input voltage is 10 volt. So VI will be 10 volt plus we have taken this bias voltage VR equals to 2 volt. So this will be 2 volt. Now this capacitor is charged to up to 12 volt. During positive half cycle, this terminal is positive and this terminal is negative. And this capacitor is fully charged to VC, as this voltage forward bias this capacitor. This voltage forward bias this capacitor up to 2 volt when this input voltage is less than this voltage, this bias voltage. So in this case, this capacitor will not discharge through this, because this branch has a short circuit. This diode acts as a short circuit and the discharge time constant is very high. So in this case, the output voltage will be equals to this voltage, this bias voltage. So output will be equals to 2 volt, as these two branches are in parallel and parallel branches have the same voltage. Now same during positive half cycle, when this input voltage becomes greater than this bias voltage VR, this diode becomes reverse bias and it will act as an open circuit. Now these two voltages are in series. Now we will apply, and the direction of the current will be this. Now this voltage across this capacitor, this capacitor will discharge through this RL with this voltage that is applied at the input. Now we will apply KVL in this loop to find the output voltage. Now minus VC, this minus VC plus V output minus VI, minus VC plus V output minus VI equals to 0. So output voltage will be equals to input voltage plus voltage across the capacitor. Now input voltage, maximum peak of the input voltage is 10 volt plus this VC, this voltage across this capacitor is 12 volt. So the total output voltage will be equals to 22 volt. Now we will draw the output waveform of this positive clamper with positive bias. As the DC level, this VC is the DC level of this clamper. So it is 12 volt. So we will start from here, 12 volt, and the output voltage will look like this. And the negative peak touches this VR. So the output voltage will be this one with positive bias. Due to this bias voltage VR, the negative peak of the input signal is shifted upward by this VR voltage. Through this clamper circuit, the DC level of 12 volt, because VC is equals to 12 volt, the DC level of 12 volt is introduced. This is the DC level. So DC level of 12 volt is introduced in this input signal using this clamper circuit. Now I will explain you positive clamper with negative bias. This is the circuit of positive clamper with negative bias. We have applied this bias voltage in reverse direction. Now in reverse direction, the P side of this diode is connected to negative of this battery voltage. In this case, the negative peak of the input signal is shifted downward below zero level by this VR voltage. So we have drawn a line here. Now we will start our analysis. We will start analyzing this circuit when this diode is forward bias. So during negative half cycle, this terminal is negative and this terminal is positive to make it this diode forward bias. But up to this 2 volt, this diode is reverse bias. When this voltage, input voltage, is less than this 2 volt, the output of this circuit will be equals to V output equals to minus VR. So it will be minus 2 volt. Now during negative half cycle, when this input voltage becomes greater than this voltage, the equivalent circuit will look like this, because the diode becomes forward bias, so it will act as a short circuit. Now the current flow in this direction in this loop, and because the current is flowing so this capacitor will be charged. Now we will find the voltage across this capacitor in this case. Now we will apply KVL in this loop. This VR voltage, this plus VR plus VC and minus VI, plus VR plus VC minus VI equals to 0. So VC will be equals to VI minus VR. VI is input voltage, maximum peak of the input voltage is 10 volt. So it will be 10 minus VR is 2 volt. VR we have taken 2 volt. So it will be 8 volt. So during negative half cycle, this capacitor will be charged up to 8 volt. So the DC level that will be introduced in this case, this will be 8 volt. This is the DC level. This will be equal to 8 volt introduced in this input signal. Now during positive half cycle, the diode is reversed bias, so it will act as an open circuit. Now these two voltages comes in series and the current will flow in this direction from positive to negative. So now we will find the voltage across this RL, means output voltage. Now we will apply KVL in this loop, in this outer loop. So it will be minus VC plus V output minus VI, minus VC plus V output minus VI equals to 0. So output voltage will be equals to VI plus VC. VI is peak voltage is 10 volt plus VC is 8 volt that we have found here. So the output voltage will be equals to 18 volt. Now we will draw the output waveform of this positive clamper with negative bias. As the DC level is 8 volt, that is introduced 8 volt. So we will start the waveform here. DC level is introduced and the output voltage, maximum output voltage during positive half is 18 volt. So this is 18. So the output waveform will look like this, and the negative peak of the input signal touches this minus VR. This is below zero level. So negative peak is shifted downward below 0 volt. So in this case, we have introduced a DC level of 8 volt in this input signal using this circuit, positive clamper with negative bias. I hope you understand the positive clamper with positive bias and with negative bias clearly. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.